So if you heard what we have been doing here, we are just showing you how to install AbayaTrack in any laptop, in anywhere, from any places. Right. So you go to our releases, right? You go after going to this link, you go here, click, and you download. See, you click, and you start install. And you start install. Look, once it's installed, you click on finish. You can see it's open. So you have to wait. Then you can start. See, it's running. Now it's live. So you click on kiosk, and you see it's open, right? You click on dashboard, then dashboard is open. Okay. You click on setup. You can see yeah, 4 tabs. So now if you click on leaderboard, the invoice part will open up. See, it's here. The only thing next you have to make sure after installation is you have to see, you have to put this barcode folder, right? You have to make sure this barcode folder, and another thing is you can do is percentage. This will be written in the app data. You search for app data, you will find this AbayaTrack. So you will see all the data is there, recent data. Right? So yeah, local storage. Yeah, you have it. Also make sure you have this barcode. Okay. The barcode folder is there at desktop. And the thing is, the desktop folder would be very different in each case. So make sure this desktop is also written exactly in your env file. This is the env file. Make sure the folder that you see here, which you see here, is also here. This barcode is getting C users there. So let's go to C users. Next up, let's see. You can also check this way the path. must match this here. So if it is different, if it is suppose it's like this, for example, in this term it says this it could be this or anything xxx. Just then make sure we change it here to xxx. This is how you are going to make sure and make sure port is 3111 and just save it and we can start. AbayaTrack launcher, go run as administrator.
ये अन्य भाई के लिए दे दो और ये 0 नंबर टैग
This data folder. Another way for making sure the data in the new laptop is the same is this data folder. I'll just copy this and this public folder. Here the employees. Okay, that's it. Let's see the new device here. So one more thing we have to do is make sure employee name cancellation and this must work. So this is what we can do. How you are going to install AbayaTrack again and again in any laptop, in any computer, in any place, from anywhere with a single click. Thank you for listening, and if you need more help, just write us an email or on WhatsApp at +88018416034. Thank you very much. Copyrighted by Muhammad Abir Abbas from Wavelink.